Hey there, JKs, and welcome to your math lesson of the day. You're probably wondering why Miss I has milk in front of her and cereal. Well, I'll tell you why. Today, we're going to be using manipulatives to help us subtract numbers. A manipulative is something that you can actually hold, like an object. So in class, we were using counting bears to help us add and subtract. And other things you could have used in class would have been counting cubes and really anything that you have many of. I could use markers to help me count. I could use coasters. I could use candles. You could really pick anything that you have a lot of to help you with addition and subtraction. So today I thought that I would use cereal to help me subtract. And while you're doing your work today, I recommend that you find a tasty snack like cereal or popcorn to help you count and also to help you have fun while you're doing it. So before I pour my milk in, I'm going to take out some cereal that I'll be counting with today. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, I have 10 pieces here. That should be enough for now. So before we look at our problems in our lesson, I just want to remind you, what is subtraction? Do you guys remember what subtraction is? Subtraction is when you have a whole number and then one part gets taken out and you're left with another small part. So we are going to do a little demonstration of what subtraction looks like using cereal. In this example, I'm going to start with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pieces of cereal. Do you see them? Let's count them together again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Once upon a time, Miss I had 5 pieces of cereal. So my whole number is 5. But then she ate 2 pieces. Now, how can I show that I ate 2 pieces? I'm not going to add 2 more pieces. No, that would be addition. I need to subtract. I need to take away 2. I have an idea. I'll just eat them. 2 pieces. 1 and 2. How many pieces of cereal does Miss I have left? Let's count together what's left. 1, 2, 3. Great. We could even write an equation with that. I started off with 5. So the first number would be 5. Then how many did I eat? That's right, I ate 2. So your equation would be 5 minus 2 equals 3. Let's go check out our math lesson and see what we have to do today. All right, let me make my screen nice and big. See, oopsies. There we go, because you have to be able to see me with my cereal. Okay. Here we go, girls. This is our first problem we're going to do together. At lunch, the lunch lady gave our class 9 slices of pizza. Then 4 scholars ate a slice of pizza. How many slices of pizza were left? Okay, let's reread our problem, and this time we're going to circle important numbers. Oh, I wonder. Where did that? Okay. Uh-oh. There we go. That's better. Okay. At lunch, the lunch lady gave our class 9 slices of pizza. 9. Okay, so that's your first whole number. Then 4 scholars ate a slice of pizza. How many slices of pizza were left? Okay, so now we know that we start off with 9 slices. Now, to represent those 9 slices of pizza, I'm gonna get 9 pieces of cereal ready. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Can you see them, girls? Let me make sure you can see them. Ah, that's better. Okay, let's count them to make sure it's 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, now we're ready to start. The next thing that happens in the problem is that 4 scholars come and eat a slice of pizza. To show that I'm going to get rid of 4 pieces of pizza, we have to take away 4. So let's do that. I'm taking away 1 piece of cereal, 2 pieces, 3 pieces, and 4 pieces. And I'll put those on the side for me to eat later. Now we can figure out how many slices of pizza were left. Let's count what's left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 pieces of pizza left, and I was able to figure this out by counting the objects in front of me. So in this problem, you would circle 5 as your answer. Let's do the next problem together. All right. Let's read it the first time. The man had 10 blue hats on his head. How many hats on his head? 10. Then he lost 5 hats. How many hats does he have left on his head? All right, let's reread the problem and circle our numbers as they come. The man had 10 blue hats on his head. Then he lost 5 hats. How many hats does he have left on his head? All right, so now we know that we're gonna start off with 10 blue hats. And what better way to show that I have 10 blue hats than to use 10 pieces of cereal? Let's get 10 pieces out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, here I have 10 pieces of cereal. Now, these 10 pieces of cereal represent the 10 blue hats the man had on his head. How many hats does he lose? That's right, he loses 5. So I need to get rid of 5. I need to take out 5. That's what subtraction means. So to take out 5, I'm going to pull 5 away with my hands. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm going to eat these later. Now all I have to do is count what's left to figure out how many blue hats does he still have on his head. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we know that he started with 10, we took away 5, and he still has 5 left. As a matter of fact, I'm going to write an equation for that. We started off with 10, then we subtracted, we took away 5, and at the end, we had 5 left. So this says 10 minus 5 equals 5. Great job, girls. Okay, now that you've done 2 problems with Miss I think you are ready to do your very own problems. This page and the following page have problems for you to solve with manipulatives at your place. What will you use today? Will you use pieces of popcorn, Skittles, Smarties, cereal like Miss I? You could also use stuffed animals or markers or books, anything that you can help yourself count with. I also personally recommend using something you can eat afterwards for fun. Once you finish these 2 pages of word problems, there is a little math review activity where you're going to have to count a few things, fill in the number box from 0 to 20, and then there's a little geometry question at the end. Okay, girls, I hope that you were excited to do your manipulative math today. I hope you have fun finding some fun objects to count with. And on that note, I'll leave you to it. See you later.